Welcome to Problem Solvers, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please like and share the video.
Guys, welcome back to another Android Studio tutorial, and this time I'll be showing guys that how to add a fade in and fade out animation to the welcome screen. So in my previous video I have already shown that how to create a splash screen for your Android app. So this time I'll be adding the same code into the main activity, or this is the first activity. Okay, so I have added a new handler, and all these codes are available in my previous video, and I'll be adding the link in the description of this video. So right now what this code do is that just open the application, and after 4 seconds it will open the second activity. That is, here is the second activity. Right now let me show you guys what I have actually done before showing this tutorial. So here in the resource I have created a anim folder. You can create it, right click, new, and create a directory. Then after that, in the anim folder you have to right click and create a new anim resource. So I have added a fade in XML and fade out XML. So in the fade in XML I have added these codes. As you can see, here it is. And in the fade out I have added these codes. So all these codes are available in the description of this video. After that, close the two things. What we have to do is simply add a single line of code, that is override pending transition method. So we have to type, not here, we have to type in the main activity, and just before the finish we have to add this thing. This is the style or the transition method. So override pending transition resource dot anim is the name of the folder, dot fade in, comma, we have the fade out also. So r dot anim dot fade out. So once we have done, we are ready to go. Let me show you guys what I have in the activity main. Here is a text view which says the first activity, and in the activity second here is an image. So the first activity will be the activity main, and from there you automatically jump into second activity after 4 seconds that contain an image view. So now let's go and run it in a live device and check it out, guys. So guys, as you can see, this is the result. So I hope you guys have got the idea.